You know, I wish there was an app where I could manage my groceries and also browse for recipes.
You know what? I have the same problem. I often end up buying too much groceries, and I think I can save a lot of money if I can planning better.
Hey guys, have you ever heard of this app called Fridgely? It takes care of your shopping and your recipe book management. Evan, you want to show us what
Sure.
it is?
Let's take a look. So I got my phone here,
Uh-huh.
and let's start the app. Let's hit Fridgely and okay. So I want to create a new account right now, and let's click on something. Let's name it Andrew. So Andrew, and then the email. And a password, and hit register. Oh, there you go. So I see 2 items here from my shopping list. Let me check. There's shopping list, recipes, trendings, and settings. So I want to add something to my shopping list. Say milk. I want to get probably 5 milks. And oh, there you go. It's on the shopping list. Great. So it's on the server. It's a server-based shopping list. Now let's just check the recipes. Wow, there's 6 types of recipes. Let's see if we can see breakfast. Oh, there's a lot of recipes in breakfast. Let me check for this one. Patty milk recipe. Oh, I can see all the ingredients. Let me check for the source by hitting title. Ooh, that looks yummy. Okay, let's head back. I can also see servings and calories. Great. Well, that's about the app. What did you think about it?
I really loved it. I think this is something that I would use regularly, and it's really good for management. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I agree. I would definitely use this.
Me
You
3.
Damn!
Great.
Is a second-hand marketplace for college students. We choose to develop this application because college students from different places usually want to get books and furniture in a cheap price and a short time. And here comes Selpia. It provides users with a reliable platform to get second-hand stuff conveniently. We use React Native to develop this application. Now, let's go directly to our main page. Here is our main page. We can scroll down to see all the listed items with images and detailed information. Now let's go to the post page. Here we'll list all the items you want to sell. Click Edit from any of your post item. Now you can change item content or renew its image. Then the information of this item will be changed immediately in the post page. Now let's go to the chat page. Here, list all the individual chat you had with sellers and buyers. Click one chat, you will see the chat history. We also support group chat to discuss with others. If you want to reply to them, just edit your message and send. You can also start a new chat with another seller. Click Buy button and make your payments by entering your bank card information. And done. In the purchase page, you will see the item you just bought and review it by rating.
Are you bored of eating alone? Are you bored of cooking for just one person? Is Bay Area too expensive for you? Are you in need of an alternate solution? And more than that, are you in need of some company-wide eating? If you have any of these queries, then we have the answer for you. Here is an application called as Foodish, which is a community food sharing platform to find alternative cheap solutions of eating for people in the Bay Area.
The chef user can see the details of the upcoming list dishes. Here, the chef user can see the dish name, the dish description, the food type, the type and the location to meet, and also the number of guests who has joined this dish. And the fourth feature is that the chef user can edit this dish. Here, I will delete something in the dish description and then submit.
Hi dear, how is everything going on?
Hi mom, everything is fine, but you know what? I don't have a vehicle here, so it is so hard for me to shop groceries. And you know what? Everybody has a credit card here, and I don't have credit card to, just go and shop. I don't know what to do. It's so frustrating.
By using Easy Grocery, it's very convenient and safe to find a verified helper to drive you to the grocery store. And also, it's based on your language and currency preference. It's great!
Really?
Yeah!
Easy Grocery!
As you can see, this is our Easy Grocery application, and in this screen you can see where you are. Currently I'm in CMU SV campus, and there is a logo for you. And if you want to get some position to shop, you can click this button and input. For example, I am at CMU SV, and I want to go to range 99 to shopping, and you can drop me at my home, State Road, and time, I just click tomorrow. What will be fine. And with a click about the blue button, place your order. All the thing is done, and you can view the your order information here, all the information. And after you finished an order, you can click submit to rate your drivers. And we have in Easy Grocery, you can chat with the driver. As you can see, the driver is going to pick me up at 1 p.m. That is the time he set, and I will reply to him, okay, no problem.
We are presenting the executive summary of our idea called Convey by Team 2. The problem that we are solving is giving presentations is a part and parcel for students and professionals. From our interviews, we observe people are not able to communicate their ideas. Convey is a solution for people to improve their soft skills through constructive feedback given by language coaches who provide personalized, in-depth assessment on areas of improvement.
Once a user is signed in, we land on the user profile page where there is an option to upload a new video and also look at all the previous presentations that the user has made. We'll go through presentation detail page. So this is a presentation detail page of one video. Here the user can look at the presentation and also view the feedbacks that they have got from the coaches that are there on the platform. The user can also invite more coaches.
Excelingo meaning excellence in language, and that's what we aim to achieve with this application. So the actors for our MVP are the students and the tutors. The solution that we came up with is categorization of these language learning tools or language learning modes into the way that the student is comfortable with by requirements, and the guidance that goes into it, that's one-on-one for the student, and there is a mandatory assignment that he or she has to do once he is done with his course or each class. Also a personalized feedback that follows his recordings. The student has the entire application view at once. He can see the tutors who are signed up right on the dashboard. He can log in and register. And the typical workflow follows. so he can see the courses and the recommendations along with the price that goes behind for him learning the particular mode. That the categorizations are pretty standard. He can edit his profile and see a class list. A class list is basically the topics he'll be learning in a particular course, assuming that our student is a he throughout over here. He can have his own recordings. Like we said, that's how he does his assignments. And he can rate his tutor. And we have 10 categories in this rating zone, so that we exactly excel in terms of how our tutors deliver, along with the reasoning of why a student is specifically satisfied or dissatisfied with the way the application is.